Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool, AI powered research environment, where you can explore papers and you can make a note of the important points in that particular paper and also ask to simplify your paper. So this is a fantastic tool for those who are starting your research paper writing or starting your research. So you can analyze this particular AI tool and you can get better references out of it, and also you can analyze that particular references for your literature review also. Let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to organize an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and explore better content out of it to make our research paper writing simple. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. Our main objective is to make your research paper writing simple using different AI tools. So use this opportunity and make your research paper writing simple using different AI tools in this AI arena. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Synthical AI. So here you can see that Synthical AI powered research environment. So just to click on this Synthical AI, so it leads to a dashboard like this here. So you can log in with your mail ID. So here you can see there are different articles available for you. So these are the new articles and these are the trendy articles. So you can give trends also. If you want to search it by keyword, so you can search it by keyword also. For example, I have explored it with the grid connected photovoltaic system. So here I have clicked this grid connected photovoltaic system. So related with that particular paper, the content will be generated. So it acts as a search engine. So apart from this, you can click on this all articles option. So click on this all articles option. So in this I have selected this electrical engineering. So here what you can do is just to click on this option. So there are different streams are available. So starting from computer science, statistics, mathematics, biology, medicine, chemistry, physics, economics, astrophysics, electrical engineering. As I have selected for electrical engineering, it is showing in the dashboard that it has electrical engineering. So next one, quantum physics, quantitative biology, quantitative finance, condensed matter, etc. So here you can click whatever you want. For example, if you are interested in computer science and if you are interested in mathematics and electrical engineering, so you can click that and you can click continue. So it will leads to a dashboard like this here. So here you can see you can select whatever the topic you want related with that particular that is stream you have selected. So for example, I have going to select this random paper. This is a new paper that amphilytic salts as single component solvent free lithium electrolytes. So this is related to the stream chemistry. So just to click on this chemistry. So here you can see that these are the here you can see this is the paper abstract of the paper. So this is the paper. So here you can see you can view full paper. That is very important here. So starting from your abstract introduction part of that particular paper, and also you can see different methods used in this paper related with chemistry. Next you can see that results and discussions of that paper. So next you can see that dynamic that is chemical equations related with that paper. So you can view full paper easily. The important thing in this Synthical is that what you can do is you can make a note of it if it is an interesting point you want. So just to copy this. So just to copy this one. Here you will be having an option called simplify, and you can highlight it whatever the color you want. So you can highlight. So next you can add a note with that particular. For example, I have selected some particular paragraph in this paper. So and I am going to make a note of this. It's important. So like that I am going to give and you can save it as a note. So after that, if you want to so it is saved here. So here you can see it's important. So it is highlighted here. Whenever you open that particular paper, it shows that highlighted that is note you have taken. So next one is that you can share. So just to click on that. So you can share with anyone. So you can copy the link. So the link will be copied and you can share with anyone. So the only thing is that if you want to simplify that particular paragraph, so you have to go for subscription option. So that is the only thing. So just to click on this simplify. So here $0 per month, similar articles, all recommendations. So collaboration, shareable folders, public folders, only one private folders. So if you want to simplify, you have to go for this subscription option, $8 per month. So simplification, simplify any part of articles in 50 times. So 50 times you can use this up to 50 times, that is very important. Next, $28, so you can use up to 300 times. So this is how you can use that simplify option. Only you can go for subscription. So apart from this, it will act as a search engine. So as I have already told, so just click in this feeds folder. So here you will be having a feeds folder, just click on that feeds folder. So every department will be available here. So that is very important, as many of our subscribers and fellow researchers asking about what are the other teams where you can search for paper. So this one will be very helpful for us, and also you can analyze the paper for your literature review also. So this is how you can make use of this Synthical. So and also you can save the note. After that, that note will be available whenever you have seen that paper. So here this is the paper we have chosen. So here you can see that, so all the paper, so here you can see that, so we have selected this particular point, so it is highlighting here. So like that you can make a list of references for your research paper writing using this Synthical AI. So go on and explore this Synthical AI, so and make your that is search engine, make it as a search engine, and you can get better references out of it. And the important thing is that you can analyze the best references also. So this is all about this Synthical AI. So here you can see in that category you will be having different subcategories also, like material science, energy, liquid crystals, energy storage, materials chemistry, etc. For example, I am going to clicking on that is electrical engineering. So here you can see this is related to the electrical and electronic engineering. This is some of the papers. Deep neural networks, for example, I am going to click this paper. So in this particular paper itself, you will be having different subheadings: image and video processing, computer vision and pattern recognition, and computers and society, machine learning. For example, I am going to select machine learning, so it will tag the articles related with that particular machine learning. So like that, so from that subtopic you can select whatever you want using this Synthical AI and make your list of references easily. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. As a new researcher, you can use this Synthical AI wisely. So go on and explore this Synthical AI and make your research paper writing interesting and simple. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.